everyone. If you've seen my first video, you would have discovered on how I furnished this one-bedroom unit at A Residences Makati for about 139,000 pesos all in. And thank you because I've gotten a lot of good feedback, a lot of good reviews and comments, and I all appreciate them. Now, when everything seems to be okay, somehow there will be like a party pooper that will ruin the mood. I'm talking about this bathroom because of its smelly floor drain. I've asked other unit owners here and some says they have it, some says they don't. Now, if you're like me who is unlucky to have that, fret no more because I will tell you how to fix that floor drain for less than 60 pesos. This is the bathroom here at A Residences. That is the shower area. Then you have this water closet. And then the space right beside it is for the washing machine if you tend to put one. And you have this wash basin or lavatory. In this bathroom, there are two floor drains. One at the shower area and the other one for your washing machine. You're probably wondering what is this toilet brush holder doing on top of my floor drain. It's actually my own quick fix solution for the time being, which acts like a cover that prevents the sewer gases from going in my bathroom. Those sewer gases cause the foul odor. Now, let me highlight to you something that's very crucial. Some of you might have noticed that our bathrooms do not have any exhaust fans. We don't have any mechanical ventilation here, and that is very sad. It does not help a lot. Now, that's a different story. I won't go into that one. Let's stick to the topic. How did I solve the problem of my smelly floor drain? Now, there's more than one way to skin a cat. You can either do what I did by using this toilet brush holder, which acts like a cover, or you can change your floor drain itself. Or the last one is do as I did by installing this silicone cover from Lazada. Now you can do it by yourself. All you have to do is to just unscrew. Okay, take this out, put that silicone cover in it, and that's it. But I would have to tell you that it was a challenge for me because I had a hard time unscrewing. These screws were all covered by dried concrete. And what I did was I went down to the admin, asked for help, and luckily they were very accommodating to send a maintenance guy that helped me unscrew this one. First, we took out those dried concrete, stubborn dried concrete, and we unscrewed this, and then that's it when I placed this silicone strainer. The next video will show you how I did it. To address the issues that I highlighted, I did some researches and I've stumbled upon this product. It says it can help prevent unwanted odor from escaping the floor drain. Okay, it's actually a silicone floor strainer. I saw it from Lazada at about 54 pesos each. So what I'll do is I'll try to insert it, but first things first, I have to take out this cover. I think the challenge that I'll be facing here is how to take out this dried cement from the four corners. Okay, let's see. I'll be using a steel brush. I'll try to loosen up this and then I'll let you know once I've installed it. Finally, after a few minutes, we were able to remove all four screws. Okay, and I can tell you it was really a challenge. Some of the screws were already deformed because we were applying so much pressure. The dried concrete made it so much difficult to unscrew. Now next is we'll take this out, this stainless steel strainer, and there you go. This is what you'll see. So obviously there is nothing that can stop or prevent hair from going in. And I think if you do not treat it right now, it could be a headache, a serious problem in the future. Imagine your floor drain getting clogged. So you will really have to repair that. So might as well do it now. Now, the main issue here is not really that hair going in. It's really the unwanted odor that is being emitted from this. So again, what I found from Lazada is this silicone strainer. So what you'll do is you'll just have to insert this here. Okay, push it a bit and put back the strainer. Put back those screws, and hopefully this will solve the problem. So there you go. That's how I fixed the smelly bathroom floor drain. Now, to be sure that what I did is effective, I closed the bathroom door, left this unit for 3 days, and when I returned, that's the first thing that I did. I went inside the bathroom and checked, and I was really surprised. No more foul odor. So I can vouch for that. Okay? So again, if this video has helped you, please like and also subscribe, because I'm telling you, there are still a lot of things that I can talk about and which could help you in the future. Fix some of the problems and give you some advices and solutions, tips and tricks. Once more, this is Tyrone. Thank you for watching Condo and more.